At this point, what we're doing is cleanup. And a great way to begin the process of cleanup is by clicking links on various pages and making sure that everything goes to where they should go. This is the attempt to experience what a new user would experience when they come to the site. So they come to this home page and they begin clicking on pages. The first thing they click on is custom tours. And we see that we have a page not found. The requested page could not be found. So there's a couple things here that would be good to manipulate. First of all, we need to create a custom tours page, at least a placeholder, so that people can fill it in later. Secondly, this page not found page is not very informational. So let's go ahead and modify this error page so that we can display something useful to the user and give them some next steps to try to find the content that they were looking for. The way we do this is by setting a custom error page on our site information page. Let's go ahead and take a look at that configuration now. I'm going to jump back to the browser where I'm an administrator, and I'm going to click on configuration in the admin toolbar. And then I'm going to click on site information. Now the last time we were on this page, we were configuring the site name for the site as well as the default front page. So this was in the very beginning of this video series. Now we have a couple additional settings here that we can explore, and it's down here at the bottom under error pages. And we have two inputs. One is the default 403 access denied page, and the other is the default 404 not found page. So while the default is to show this page not found error on the page, we can set this page to be a custom page that we create, just like any other content. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to jump back to the admin browser, and let's go ahead and create a new page. I'm going to click on Add Content in the shortcut bar, and I'm going to click on Basic Page to add a basic page. For the title, I'm going to type in, "Sorry about that, this page may have moved." It's nice, it's polite, it's informational. And then I'm going to go ahead and put the body on fast forward here. And we're just adding some simple text with some links to pages where the user can find out more about the site. We apologize for the inconvenience. You may want to check out our search page, and there's a link there, for the page that you're looking for, or contact us for more information. Thank you. Now, how did we know the URL to this search page? Well, if we jump back to the other browser, where we're currently an anonymous user, and we conduct a search, I'm just filling in some random characters inside search here. This takes us to the page /search/node and then the search. And if we remove this, and this is something that you can do with paths in Drupal typically to jump up a hierarchy of pages, and then you click enter, you'll see that it jumps to search/node and it gives you a search page. So we can use either /search or /search/node. I'm going to jump back to the administration browser, and let's go ahead and save this page. Now this created a automatic alias for us, content/ sorry about page may have moved. Let's go ahead and copy this path and jump back over to the configuration where we can set our error page, and then click site information and scroll down to the bottom where we have our default 404 not found page, and paste in the path and click save configuration. Okay, now let's go back to the browser where we're currently anonymous and go back to the home page. And let's follow this link that we know is going to a page that doesn't exist yet. Okay, so now we have a title, "Sorry about this page may have moved." There's some content here, and we can click on these links for more information. So this is a little bit more useful.